Realme GT3 specifications. Realme GT3 sports a 6.74-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, punch-hole cutout for the selfie snapper, flat bezels, 93.69% contrast ratio, 360Hz touch sampling rate, 1100 nits peak brightness, and 1.07 billion colors. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The phone comes in 8GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 1TB variants. The Realme GT3 boots Android 13-based Realme UI custom skin out of the box and packs a 4600 mAh battery with 240W SuperVOI fast charging support. Connectivity features include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi. As for the cameras, the Realme GT3 has triple rear cameras on the back, with a 50MP primary Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS and LED flash, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2MP microscope camera. There is a 16MP snapper for selfies and video chats on the front. The phone is equipped with stainless steel vapor cooling system Max 2.0, pulse interface design, a dedicated display chipset, tactile engine, GT Mode 4.0, intelligent infrared remote control, X-axis linear motor, and dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. There's a 6580mm 2 large VC liquid cooling system that covers 61.5% of the battery.